Hey everyone! Tired of entering your password every time you start your Windows 11 PC? In this video, I'll show you how to completely remove the Windows 11 login password and lock screen so your computer boots straight to the desktop. No more interruptions. Step 1. First, open the Start menu and search for Settings. Click on the Settings app to open it. Inside Settings, select Accounts from the left sidebar. Then, scroll down and click on Sign In Options. Step 2, under Additional Settings, look for the option that says, if you've been away, when should Windows require you to sign in again? Change the drop-down menu to Never. You'll need to enter your current password to confirm this change. Step 3, next, go back to the Start menu, search for Command, right-click on Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Step 4, in the Command Prompt window, type the following command, netplwiz, and press Enter. A new window will open. At the top, uncheck the box that says, Users must enter a username and password to use this computer. Click Apply, then enter your password one last time to confirm. That's it. Restart your PC, and you'll no longer see the login screen. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips.